Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Sharalee and today I'm going to be showing you how I am styling my latest cut. And that cut is a Pixie with an undercut. Several of you who've been around my channel for a while are curious to know how I'm styling it, how I'm enjoying my new cut, so we're gonna see that today. And what I decided to do in this video is to try and not cut out anything. None of the blow drying time, none of the styling time, so you're gonna see it real time, and I am also going to time it here on my little iPod. So it will give you an idea not only how I'm styling it, but how long it takes to fix as well. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to now towel dry my hair. I'm gonna start the timer and just combing through real quickly here. And then I'm gonna go in with a little bit of the Catwalk Root Boost. I am just adding a little bit of this here at the crown and then a little bit here along where I'm going to be parting it because I want a little extra body, and then putting a little bit on my fingers to help give a little bit of hold to these sides. Next, I'm going in with the Acure Moroccan Argan Oil, and most of you know this, but I love to add this for a little bit of shine. Also because my hair is highlighted, it just helps add a little more moisture, keep the hair protected as I'm heat styling. Okay, so we've got all of that worked through the hair. Now I'm just gonna go in with the blow dryer, and today I'm actually going to be styling it on the side that it is cut to go. So that's how we're gonna be blow drying. So gonna get started here, high heat and high fan speed. Okay, blow drying is done, and now I'm just going to go in with the flat iron right here, mostly just in the front section. So this is still really super short, so there's not a whole lot I can do with the flat iron, but I do like to just give a little bit of lift here on the sides, and then here in the front, just going to pull this over and give a little bit of some lift and curl just right here on the long part here in the front, and then go through this top section and add just a little bit of lift and texture. And because we have that Catwalk Root Boost through the top, it gives a little bit of hold, so you don't have to go through and spray every piece of hair before you put the flat iron through, and it'll still kind of hold a little bit of that texture. And then through the crown here, I've just been experimenting, trying a few different things. So today we'll just kind of see what that section wants to do. It sometimes has a mind of its own. So let's see here, maybe one more section here with the flat iron. And then the sides are, I think, pretty good. So let's go in now with the Enjoy Dry Wax, and I am just using a little tiny bit, and then if I need to, I'll go back and add just a little bit more. But I'm going to now use this to finish out creating the texture that I want. So I'm gonna scrub this going the opposite direction first into the roots, and then kind of use that to my advantage to come back, and it gives a little more added lift and volume. And then here I'm just going to roughly kind of work this through the back, and then I'll check that out in the mirror in just a second to see what we think. These sides, I think that's the thing with the undercut, is you don't have a whole lot of there's not a whole lot of different styling things you can do with the sides and the lower part, but it's the top part that we can have a little bit of fun with. So that's what I'm focusing on. All right, I'm gonna check out the back here. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see this, but I'm just gonna kind of roughly comb through. And I want to highlight the fact that that the back is longer right there. So I like to give that a little bit of lift, and today it looks like we're gonna have a little bit of spikiness too. So, okay, now I'm gonna set it with a little hairspray. And I am trying to lighten up how much styling products I use with the extra short do here. And then I just like to take my fingers in there while the hairspray is drying, just add a little bit of texture right before the hairspray dries. Kind of section those pieces together. And I think we're done. Let's see. Check out the back one more time. Oh, a little bit right here in the top. Okay, I think we're good. So according to my iPod, 8 minutes and 2.7 seconds. So not too bad, right? All right, so I had to hit pause on the video so I could go put my earrings in and now show you the finished look. So overall, I have been enjoying the change up of having those shaved areas on the side and the back. It has given it a little more of an edgy look in some ways, but I am kind of missing some of the added styling options that I had when I had longer hair there. So we'll see what happens. My next hair appointment is in a little less than 2 weeks, so make sure you are subscribed, stay tuned to my channel, and see what happens next. Thank you as always so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you next time. Bye.